सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तन्नमामि सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। हे प्रभो आनंददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए। लीजिए हमको शरण में हम सदाचारी बने ब्रह्मचिंतक धर्म रक्षक वीर व्रतधारी बने। हे प्रभो आनंददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए। निंदा किसी की हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करे सत्य बोले झूठ त्यागे मेल आपस में करे। हे प्रभो आनंददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए। प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें दिव्य जीवन हो हमारा तेरे यश गाया करे। हे प्रभो आनंददाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए। शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए दूर हमसे कीजिए। I'll attempt a small bhajan. धन्य धन्य अति धन्य मैं पाकर कृपा महान। धन्य धन्य अति धन्य मैं पाकर कृपा महान। लिया प्रभु ने शरण में अपने दिया चरण में स्थान। लिया प्रभु ने शरण में अपने दिया चरण में स्थान। किया नहीं था काम भी मैंने कोई दिव्य महान। किया नहीं था काम भी मैंने कोई दिव्य महान। हाँ की थी प्रभु निंदा मैंने वश हो अति अज्ञान। हाँ की थी प्रभु निंदा मैंने वश हो अति अज्ञान। भुला दिया प्रभु ने उसको भी कारण रहित दयाल। भुला दिया प्रभु ने उसको भी कारण रहित दयाल। करता रहूंगा अब जीवन भर राम का मैं गुणगान। करता रहूंगा अब जीवन भर राम का मैं गुणगान। धन्य धन्य अति धन्य मैं पाकर कृपा महान। पाकर कृपा महान। पाकर कृपा महान। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
It is your composition.
No, no, no. This is Guruji's composition. Swami
It is,
Tejavanandaji.
uh,
Yeah. So, what do we do today? We revise what is done, or we move to the next chapter?
We will revise because last time I was not there.
Okay.
Page number.
226.
228.
228 is the last one. Yeah. So, what we revised, or what we saw was this chapter mentioned about the 11 um, ways of bhakti, and we've already seen Navavidha Bhakti. I think it's the nine ways of devotion. This is also similar to it, but the 11 ways that are being told here, and we saw them. The first one is about Guna Mahatmya Asakti, which is glorifying his qualities. So for that we should be knowing the Lord first. So once we know the Lord, we will sing his glories maybe, or we think of his glories. We love him for his glories and his qualities. So for example, Prabhu Shri Ram, whatever we know as him, and what we have seen him as his character in Ramayana. So all those qualities and all those incidents where the way he has been Maryada Purushottam, those qualities remind us, and that makes us or makes our devotion towards him more stronger. I think they have given some examples also. So Guna Mahatmya Asakti, they've given Narad, Vyasa, Shukadev, and others have traveled this path, and they continued to remember the Lord, and repeatedly remembering the Lord. So Narad Muni, as we know, he keeps saying Narayan, Narayan. So he's remembering the Lord every time. So that was the first um way of bhakti, Guna Mahatmya Asakti. We can all add to this whatever we know.
Yeah, we can go ahead because you've explained very well, actually.
Okay. Second is Rupa Asakti. So this is where we love the Lord, and the form of the Lord, the beauty of the Lord. And I think
It's like when we idealize a form, as
correct,
you mentioned,
correct.
like if you're looking at a leader,
Hmm,
like say Gandhiji, when you're seeing, but of course he's a human form, but similarly, when we are
hmm,
looking at the Lord, that's why they adorn him with, jewels or
hmm,
uh, but like vastra and all that.
hmm,
So when we look at the when the Lord is decorated in the temple,
hmm,
looking at him, then even then our love for that Lord, or we glorify that love
hmm.
by looking at his rupa.
Correct, correct. And all of us,
अयोध्येचं
ha, sorry,
बालक रूप आहे.
होत आहे.
अयोध्येचं सगळं बालक रूप आहे ते
Ha,
सगळ्यांना खूप आवडत
correct, correct, right. So
खूपच लेटेस्ट सुंदर एकदम
लेटेस्ट
ना.
सुंदर, अँड आपण कुठेही बघितलंय कुठल्याही मंदिरात, तर आपल्याला प्रत्येक देवळात मंदिराचं जे रूपात मूर्तीचे जे रूप आहे, ते नेहमी हसताना आणि एक आपल्याला एक वेगळी त्याच्यात तेज दिसते. तर आय थिंक दॅट इज ऑल्सो अ वे ऑफ डिवोशन वेअर यू लव्ह द लॉर्ड, द ब्युटी ऑफ द लॉर्ड, की किती सुंदर आहे. आणि अ, कधी कुठलेही म्हणजे वी हॅव सीन, इट कुड बी कृष्णा, इट कुड बी राम, एनी ऑफ दोज अवतार्स, ज्यांनी ज्या ज्या प्रसंगी त्यांच्या समोर येताना त्यांना राग आलेला असेल किंवा त्यांना दुःख झालं असेल, पण कधी आपण मूर्तीमध्ये कधी तसे बघितले नाहीत. प्रत्येक मूर्ती हे हसताना सुंदर असं आपल्याला दिसलेलं आहे. आणि आपल्या पवईमधलं जगदीश्वरचं पण खूप मस्त आहे मूर्ती. म्हणजे असं मेडिटेटिंग मध्ये डोळे अर्धे मिटलेले असे आणि एक ते स्माइल जे आहे ते कधी विसरणार नाही असं आपल्याला मूर्त्या दिसतात. तर that is also one way of loving, that we love the beauty of the Lord. Yes, Ramakantanna, you want to add something?
नाही नाही. By looking at his form, मन प्रसन्न होतं दिसे ना,
Ah,
that's what.
correct, correct. And खूप आधी तुषारदादांनी एकदा सांगितलं होतं की when we go to a temple, why does our mind become automatically silent? तर कारण our mind is always dragged by our sense organs. And when each of this sense organ is given something, so for the eyes there is a beauty of the Lord. तर ते बघितल्यावरती डोळे आपोआप शांत होतात. त्याला दुसरं काही बघावं असं वाटत नाही. कानांना तिथलं एक वेळेस मंत्र चॅन्टिंग असेल किंवा एखादं भजन असेल किंवा एखादं इवन शंखाचा आवाज किंवा घंटाचा आवाज, त्या आवाजाने आपलं कान पण शांत होतात. म्हणजे द सेन्स ऑर्गन इज हॅपी अँड इज एंगेज इन इट. मग आपण काही प्रसाद घेतो तर द टेस्ट बड्स, द टंग इज टेकन केअर. We apply vibhuti or we offer some flowers, so the skin touch is also taken care. And there is a fragrance, तिथलं अगरबत्ती म्हणा, तिथलं चंदन वगैरे. तर ह्याने आपले पाचही इंद्रिया जे आहेत ते काय म्हणतो तृप्त होतात आणि त्यामुळे आपलं मन आपोआप शांत होतं. तर त्याच्या डोळ्यांना असं रूप दिसल्यावर अं, तिथे इथे तिथे भटकत नाही, तिथे तिथे काही बघायला दुसरं आपल्याला राहत नाही, आपण त्या मूर्तीकडेच बघत राहतो. एनिथिंग टू ऍड, राजू, गीता? The next one is uh, puja asakti. And before that, for Rupa Asakti, they have given the people of Mithila and the rishis of Dandakaranya are the examples who adored the Lord's form. So I think Tusharada said about when the people of Mithila saw Sri Ram and Lakshman coming for Sita's Swayamvar. I think that's where they were all fascinated by the beauty, and that is one example of how beauty can be a form of bhakti. दंडकारण्यचं मला माहित नाही. माहिती आहे का ताई तुम्हाला? ऋषीज ऑफ दंडकारण्य. आय एम शुअर दिस इज ड्युरिंग रामायण मधलं जे 14 इयर्स ऑफ एक्झाईल मध्ये ते अरण्यात गेले होते तेव्हा. पण मला हे आठवत नाही की ते ऋषीज तिथल्या म्हणजे रूप आसक्तीचं कसं तिथे हे होतं म्हणून.
नाही, what
तुषार साहेब?
Tushar mentioned that there was rishis of Dandakaranya saw Lord Ram and liked his form.
ओके.
So because best of their feelings came out.
अच्छा.
So so they saw all the qualities in the form of Ram.
ओके, ओके. येस, ओके. Then the next one is puja sakti. So this is, I think, where people like to worship the Lord, um, which involves a lot of rituals. तर आपण जे पूजा करताना ज्या आपण स्टेप्स बघतो, देवाला आपण आंघोळ घालतो किंवा देवाला कपडे घालतो आणि एक सुवासिक द्रव्य वगैरे असं सगळं करतो. तर या पूजांमध्ये पण किंवा इवन पादुका पूजा म्हणा, त्याच्यात पण आपल्याला जी भक्ती दिसते, दॅट इज आय थिंक पूजा आसक्ती. आणि भरत इज an example given here who was doing Paduka Puja of Sri Ram. Hmm.
I think that day Tushar also mentioned that Gondwalkar Maharaj, when he used to do
Yes,
puja of Lord Ram, he used to see tears in the eyes of Ram. Right?
yes. And me and Raju were fortunate. Last 26 Jan,
Mm.
we went to Gondavale. And before that, me, Karthik, Swami, we had been to Gondavale just one day program, morning to evening. But when we went there, we wanted to stay overnight. And we have seen there people serving, and it's a different kind of an experience. So there we saw these two stories of Gondavalikar Maharaj, where the Sri Ram Murti was in tears when Gondavali Maharaj decided to leave that place and go for higher sadhana. So it seems Gondavalekar Maharaj didn't know this, and he had already left in this on his way. And then the devotees who were there in the temple, they went running to find him, and one of them went and told him that the tears are not stopping. So can you please come? So when he came, it says Gondavari Maharaj then wiped the tears and then told Shri Ram that you're crying that I'm going and leaving you, so I won't go. I will stay back here. As this was the first time. The second time was when he was ill. He was bedridden, and that time again there were tears. And then Gondavalikar Maharaj went up again to the temple and then wiped his tears and said, "I'm all right. There's nothing wrong. I'll be fine. Don't worry." And the third time is when he was about to take samadhi. Before that, he saw tears. So yes, this is a and when you go there, you really feel that how could be the bhakti of people there, that tears come in the eyes of the Lord Himself. And this Saint Gondavalikar Maharaj has a very simple philosophy that you don't need to do all great things for the Lord. You just keep chanting His name. And there are so many ways he's tried telling about taking the Lord's name. That even if you miss one day, don't miss it. Do it again the next day, but keep doing it mentally. Keep chanting. And one of them says that when we start doing Lord's bhakti, the Lord becomes, काय म्हणतो त्याला, देव अडकून जातात. त्यांना असा प्रश्न येतो की हा किती माझी भक्ती करतोय, अँड देन ही इज eager टू मीट अस. जसं आपण आर्ततेने वाट बघतो देवाची, ही इज ऑल्सो eager टू मीट अस, सी अस, ब्लेस अस. सो येस.
For
नेक्स्ट
that you have, for that all we have to become so much intensely devoted to him. That
करेक्ट.
in our day-to-day life it is not so possible.
येस.
But we have to start first.
And that's where I saw this Gondavalikar Maharaj doesn't say that it is very difficult. He says it will happen initially, your mind will wander, but you keep chanting. Let it happen physically, your lips are chanting. Automatically that will take care of all other things. But the thing is to start to do it. Today I
So
shared
is
one.
that then Smarana Shakti then? Asakti? Is it not
I,
Smaran because you're continuously chanting as
yes,
well, right?
yes, yes. In fact, if you see, there is no one particular bhakti which is all alone by itself. I think all others also will follow and all others will be part of that bhakti. So if you're doing puja also, Smaran will be there, right? You will be remembering the Lord and doing the puja. Or even if you're singing the glories or remembering the glories of the Lord or any other, Rupa Asakti. So they're all that way mixed with each other. But maybe predominantly we are doing an action for the Lord which terms that Asakti. So Rupa Asakti or Puja Asakti, Smarana Shakti. स्मरणासक्ती असं.
मध्ये ते हे आठवलं आपलं भजन म्हणायचं ना आपण, रूप पाहता लोचनी
लोचनी, हा
सुख झालं ते
हा,
म्हणायचं ते.
बरोबर बरोबर. आपल्या दिंडीत आहे ना ते. हो
दिंडीत ते होते ना भजन.
हा, हो बरोबर बरोबर. So yes, Akka, Smaran Shakti will also be part of it, and you may always find it difficult which bhakti
So
falls
you
under.
can hold one, I guess, when we hold one of the bhaktis, or automatically everything follows, or
Hmm.
everything come together at some point.
Correct, yes, true. I think towards the end, when we come there, we'll get to know. But they've tried, Gurudev has tried saying that they're not different. They're not like he's following a different path or somebody else is following a different path. They're all the same, but they are maybe ways of showing our bhakti or our love for the Lord.
I think depending on our, I guess, the type of vasanas, we tend towards or tilt towards one way of devotion, maybe.
Correct.
And
Yes.
then, of course, as you mentioned, others will follow.
Correct. Correct.
And at the end, he has given, to be sure, there are as many ways to
Yes.
love and expressions of love as there are seekers and
Seekers.
lovers.
Correct.
We rarely find devotees repeating mechanically the path pursued by other devotees of the past.
Correct. Correct. And I think on for this 22nd of Jan, when we had the Pran Pratishtha, we saw so many videos of people showing their way of bhakti towards Sri Ram. Somebody drew a big rangoli portraying Sri Ram. Somebody lighted so many diyas to show their bhakti. So there are different ways, and there will be that many ways that many seekers are. So it will never be a limited number of people.
Somebody danced on the DJ also. So everybody's way of exhibiting becomes different.
Correct.
What I was saying is in Guruji's abhi recent talk na Navavidha Bhakti.
हाँ
He said that वो Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnur, Pada Sevanam, वो सब में
हाँ
each one is interlinked to each other.
हम्म
Without one, we will not. Shravanam जब तक नहीं होता, Kirtanam नहीं हो सकता. Kirtanam, Pada Sevanam, everything is interlinked to each other. So
correct
nothing is Shrestha or nothing is this thing. एक करोगे तो अपने आप rest follows. Then you consider you as God as your friend, Sakhya Bhakti, या फिर जो भी है relation that you maintain, like a daughter or a son or a friend or anything that you consider to be, वैसे करते करते, so each one is interlinked with each other.
correct
So every bhakti I think is connected, as he mentioned.
correct correct
पुण्यात ते वस्त्र विणण्यासाठी पण लोकांनी केवढी लाईन लावली होती. ती
हो
पण भक्ती झाली एक
भक्ती
प्रकारे
झाली
ना,
हो
म्हणजे भक्ती म्हणून लोक एवढी लाईनीत उभं राहून 3-3 तास उभं राहून मग
हो
ते वस्त्र विणलं गेलं आणि मग ते आता रामाला हे केलेलं आहे,
बरोबर
अर्पण केलेलं आहे.
आणि
किती छान
इवन
ना ते.
जी लोक तिथे पोचली होती अयोध्येला त्यांचंही कोणाचंही काही कंप्लेंट नव्हतं की आता इथे दर्शन कधी मिळेल, कारण खूप मोठी रांग होती आणि आता पण असणारच आहे, आता यापुढे तर असंच असणार आहे. पण लोकांचा एक्सपिरियन्स होता की आम्हाला अशी काही वाटलं नाही की खूप धक्काबुक्की होते किंवा दर्शनच मिळालं नाही, असं काही नाही. तिथे पोचले ह्याचाच आनंद होता त्यांना, तिथपर्यंत पोचलो आपण.
एक हे आलं होतं ना एक्सपिरियन्स, एका अम्माची आली होती की son had taken her to Ayodhya and she wanted to anyhow have darshan of Rama. So पूरा इतना भीड़ था, he says it was maddening. From every side we could see only people, people, people. But my mother was she did not mind. बाकी temples में तो one would crave, but her intention was only to have the darshan of Bal Rama वहाँ पर. And इतने इसमें she lost her handbag. वो है एक्सपीरियंस, आई विल शेयर विथ यू इफ आई फाइंड इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप. तो उनका ये
मिला उनको, हाँ
हैंडबैग, उसमें आधार कार्ड, 65,000 रुपीज, सब कुछ लीला ऑफ रामा करके वो आया था, तो वो गायब हो गया था. बट शी डिडंट बॉदर, वो सीधा गई, दर्शन करके वापस भी आ गए. देन दे थॉट कि ठीक है, जाना, दर्शन मिला, वो बहुत अच्छा, हम ठीक से जाके आए, वो बहुत अच्छा करके सोच रहे थे. बट वो किसी साधु महाराज के पास गया, उन्होंने आरएसएस के थ्रू उनको ट्रैक करके चेन्नई में उनको वापस वो बैग दिलवाया. तो मतलब मिरेकल्स हैपन. एंड मेरे को इसमें मतलब इवन व्हेन आई लेफ्ट इट कि मेरे को नहीं मिला तो भी चलेगा, मेरे को सिर्फ दर्शन चाहिए, वो सोच के गई थी. तो मेरा बैग भी मेरे को वापस मिल गया करके आया था वो एक स्टोरी.
मेरे ख्याल से वो जब उसने ड्रॉप किया तभी वो मिला उसको, वरना उसी थॉट में शी वुड हैव बीन इन अयोध्या थिंकिंग दैट आई हैव लॉस्ट इट. ताई तुम्ही काहीतरी सांगत होता अर्चना सांगताना. तुम्ही आणि ती दोघं एकत्रच बोलत होता, तुमचं राहून गेलं का?
हा सॉरी.
आता विसरले का?
अच्छा.
नाही, आणि ते हा ढोल वादक,
हा
हा एक पथक पुण्यावरनं ढोल वाजवायला पण श्रीराम पथक, ते पण त्यांना पण बोलवलं ना अयोध्येला.
अच्छा
ती पण एक झाली, म्हणजे भक्तीचा प्रकारच झाला तो. आणि दुसरं एक मी आता व्हिडिओ बघितला, एक कोणीतरी गुरुजी त्यांना बोलवलं होतं तिकडे, आणि गर्भगृहात ते पण तिथे होते. आणि गर्भगृहातनं ते बाहेर आल्यावरती त्यांना कोणीतरी, ते देसाई का कोणीतरी नाव सांगितलंय त्यांनी, ते गृहस्थ भेटले आणि त्यांनी त्यांना आलिंगन दिलं, मिठी मारली. आणि ते बहुतेक तरी म्हणजे ह्यांचे गोंदवलेकर महाराजांचे हे आहेत.
अच्छा बरं.
तर त्यांचं म्हणणं की महाराज स्वतः तिथे त्यावेळेला येऊन गेले, म्हणजे हे दर्शन घ्यायला आले होते रामाचं तिथे स्वतः.
बरोबर.
असं. इतके छान छान अनुभव आहेत ना हे आता
हो,
अयोध्येमुळे. इतके
खरंच
मस्त
खरंच.
वाटतं. खूपच खरं. प्रत्येकाची
ते काहीतरी
भक्ती आणि वेगवेगळे म्हणले ना 11 प्रकारांपेक्षा जास्ती आहेत. तर
बरोबर.
त्यातले आपल्याला हे वेगवेगळे प्रकार ह्यातनं यामुळे बघायला मिळाले.
मिळाले. बरोबर.
अनुभव
खरे.
म्हणजे खरंच मस्त वाटतंय.
आणि ते माकडाचं पण काहीतरी आहे ना, ते एकाकडून आलं आणि दुसरीकडून गेलं असं पळून. कसं आलं ते माहित नाही म्हणून सांगितलं होतं ना,
गरुड
असं काही.
पण
अच्छा.
2
गरुड पण.
गरुड पण ते पण
गरुड पण खूप पुष्कळ गरुड होते ते ऐकलंय की
हो,
तेव्हाच. हा. But
पुष्पवृष्टी
this
झाली
happens. I
त्याच्यानंतर
had
गरुड
gone to this Sita temple in Ashok Vatika. It is on a hilltop. पूरे hilltop में कहीं भी बंदर नहीं है except in that temple.
अच्छा,
पूरे
श्रीलंका.
हिल में,
अच्छा.
श्रीलंका में वो कहीं भी बंदर नहीं दिखेंगे, सिर्फ वो मंदिर में बंदर है. वो पूरा ड्राइव सुबह निकला तो सिर्फ शाम को लौट सकते हो. इतना बड़ा हिल मतलब डिस्टेंस है वो.
अच्छा.
बट कहीं भी नहीं है बंदर. और वो कुछ नहीं करते. जैसे हम लोग इधर भी जाते तो बंदर से सावध रहा म्हणून सब जगह पार्टी रहता है कि कीप योर रीटेबल्स अवे, बॉटल्स अवे. कुछ नहीं करते, वो बस घूमते रहते हैं पूरे मंदिर में और सिर्फ वो मंदिर के इधर ही मिलते हैं वो बंदर. कहीं नहीं दिखे मेरे को कहाँ भी इधर. तो सच में हनुमान जी का ही वो उसमें भी आया था ना कि रोज आता था एक बंदर
आता था. हाँ.
आके हनुमान राम जी का चेहरा आके देख के जाता था वो
हाँ.
जब बनाते थे उसको.
सर नहीं बोला था वो, शायद देखते थे काम कितना हुआ है कि नहीं. सच में. So moving next, Smaran Asakti. So here examples given are Prahlad and Dhruva. So yes, I think at the same time we also had in our Manache Shlok such verses on Prahlad, Dhruv and others.
स्मरणशक्तीमध्ये एक मला आता असं आठवलं की स्मरण आपण किती केलं पाहिजे.
हा.
तर त्यात केवी भेलसरे जे महाराजांचे आहेत शिष्य आणि ते प्रवचन वगैरे देतात त्यांनी त्यांच्या म्हणजे जे प्रवचनाला येतात ते चालले होते ह्याला गोंदवल्याला. तर त्या ग्रुप सांगितलं की तुम्ही नामस्मरण करत जा जाताना सुद्धा आणि तिथे गेल्यावर सुद्धा खंड पडू देऊ नका नामस्मरणामध्ये.
हा.
तर त्यांनी सांगितलं हो ठीक आहे आम्ही करू तुम्ही सांगितल्याप्रमाणे आणि त्यांनी केलं. मग त्यांनी बाबांनी विचारलं की तुम्ही केलं का. तर ते म्हणले हो केलं. ट्रेन आली तेव्हा केलं आणि नंतर ट्रेन मध्ये बसल्यावर पण केलं. मग मध्ये चढताना केलं का. नाही तेव्हा काय झालं म्हणे बोगी आम्ही इथे होतो आणि बोगी पुढे आली मग धावत जायला लागलं आमचं बॅगेज सकट. मग तेवढा वेळ मात्र खंड पडला. मग म्हणे तेवढा वेळ सुद्धा खंड नाही पडला पाहिजे. कारण शेवटचा क्षण आपला नेमका तोच असेल तर
बरोबर.
त्यावेळेला तुमच्या मनामध्ये हा डिस्टर्बन्स आहे आणि आयुष्य हे पूर्ण डिस्टर्बन्सच आयुष्य आहे.
खरं.
त्यामुळे तुम्ही इतका स्मरण ते म्हणजे खंड पडलाच नाही पाहिजे.
बरोबर.
त्यांनी छान हे
छान आहे.
सांगितलेलं
हो.
होतं. कंटिन्युअस करत राहा.
हो.
स्मरण भक्ती जी आहे ती
बरोबर.
सतत चालूच राहिली पाहिजे.
हो.
या कारणाने त्या कारणाने खंड पडलाय असं काही होता कामा नये
बरोबर.
असं.
मी आज मला ट्विटरमध्ये मी एक व्हिडिओ बघितला, एक ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट आहे, मी आपल्या ग्रुपवरती शेअर केला आहे. तर त्याच्यात ती ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट अशी सोपी आहे की देवाचं नाव घ्यायला पाहिजे आणि तो जो एक दुकानदार आहे तो म्हणतो की
हरी हरी
हरी हरी. तो त्याच्या एका नोकराला पण त्या दुकानात हरीच्या नावाने बोलवतो की हरी मिर्च लेके आओ म्हणून. आणि ती जी येते बाई ती म्हणते मला हरी मिर्च नको आहे, मला लाल मिर्च पाहिजे म्हणून. तर तो म्हणतो की माझं दुकानाचं नाव दुकान बघा, मी किराणावाला आहे, माझ्याकडे हरी मिर्च असणार का. मी त्याचं नाव हरी आहे, त्याला मी मिरची आणायला सांगतोय. आणि नंतर तो पण तिकडनं म्हणतो हा हरिभाई मिरची यहाँ पे है. तर ती म्हणते तू काय खोटं बोलतोयस का, त्याचं नाव हरी म्हणतोय पण तुझं नाव हरी आहे. तर तो म्हणतो ना आम्ही आमच्या या दुकानात सगळ्यांची नावं हरीच ठेवली आहेत, प्रत्येकाला नाव आहे काही काही पण आम्ही हरी बोलतो का, तर देवाचं नाव घ्यायला पाहिजे ना, आपण असं करताना विसरतो. तर एकमेकाला हाक मारताना तरी देवाचं नाव घेतलं जाईल म्हणून आम्ही सगळ्यांना हरी म्हणून या नावाने हाका मारतो म्हणून असं असं आहे. आपल्या बालविरमध्ये एक भजन होतं, वी यूज्ड टू सिंग दिस भजन, खाते भी राम को पीते भी राम को. सो एक बालविरमध्ये मी हे भजन घेताना आपला विजय शेखाचा मुलगा सर्वेश लहान होता तेव्हा, आणि त्याच्यात एक लाईन येते शेवटी, आपण म्हणताना शेवटच्या कडव्यामध्ये आपण म्हणतो की मरते भी राम को हो राम राम राम. मग तो मला म्हणायला लागला भजन ऐकल्यावरती की दादा आपण मरते भी राम कसं म्हणणार, असं होऊ शकतं का मरताना? मलाही तेव्हा उत्तर नाही आलं की असं होणार का आपल्याकडनं. मग नंतर मला पण वाटलं की त्यामुळे बहुतेक खाते बी पिते बी म्हणजे सगळे करताना आपण जर राम राम केलं तर कदाचित शेवटी पण राम राम येईल मरताना असं. नेक्स्ट इज दास्य आसक्ती. आणि आय थिंक वी ऑल नो that in this we will remember Hanumanji. They've also given Vidur here, Hanumanji and Vidurji. So how दास्य आसक्ती. सो आता आम्ही लास्ट संडेला मी एक खेळ घेतला तर आय वॉज ट्राईंग टू टेल द चिल्ड्रेन अँड वी प्लेड खो खो. तर मी त्यांना सांगत होतो की खो खो मध्ये आपण जसं बसतो तसे आपले हनुमान तशा पोज मध्ये असतात. तर का तर पटकन काही आणायला सांगितलं किंवा काही सेवा असेल करायची तर उठता येईल त्यांना. जसं खो खो मध्ये आपण मांडी घालून बसलो की आपल्याला वेळ लागेल
On your
तो
mark, get
बरोबर.
set, go.
हा, तसं तर हनुमान सारखं उदाहरण तर नक्कीच येणार दास्य आसक्तीमध्ये, दास्य भक्तीमध्ये. नेक्स्ट इज सख्य आसक्ती एज अ फ्रेंड. सो अर्जुन, सुदामा, कुचेला. अच्छा, कुचेला. अर्चना, तुमने उस दिन क्या बताया था? कुचेला इज
सुदामा को ही कुचेला बोलते हैं साउथ में.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके. अर्जुन, सुदामा, ओके.
कुचेलर दिनम करके बनता है, ये मनाते वो लोग
अच्छा
जिस दिन गुरुवायूर में मेनली,
अच्छा.
क्योंकि जिस दिन सुदामा कृष्ण को मिलने आते हैं
हम्म,
वो दिसंबर में एक एकादशी है, नॉट गीता जयंती वाला, आई थिंक उसके अगले वाला
अच्छा.
दिसंबर में आता है वो.
हम्म,
तो कुचेलर दिनम, तब उस दिन सब लोग अपने घर में पोहा भोग दिखाते हैं,
अच्छा
सूखा पोहा
अच्छा. हाँ,
ऐसे.
पोहे का
हाँ, तो कुचेलर दिनम दे सेलिब्रेट ऑन द एज अ डे व्हेन सुदामा केम टू मीट कृष्णा
हम्म,
इन गुरुवायूर में. इट इज अ बिग इवेंट
अच्छा.
वहाँ पर.
सो यस, सख्य आसक्ती. नेक्स्ट वॉज कांता आसक्ती. दिस इज
मीरा.
मीरा. ह्यात मी आय एम नॉट शुअर, मला असं वाटतं इवन फॉर दॅट मॅटर जनाबाई पण ह्याच्यात येईल का? आय डोंट नो, बिकॉज जनाबाईचं पण मी वाचलं. शी वॉज सो डिवोटेड टू द लॉर्ड अँड शी शी वॉन्टेड द लॉर्ड ऑलवेज. आणि त्या मला वाटतं नामदेव महाराजांकडे कामाला होत्या, तिथे राहत होते. आणि तिला रात्री जनाबाईंना सगळं पीठ पिसायचं होतं आणि ते काम विठ्ठलाने येऊन केलं काम ते. पण त्या कामामध्ये
ते
रात्रभर.
भक्तीमध्ये
हा,
वही अभंग है ना, दलिता कांटिता तुझ
हा,
गाई ननंता.
करेक्ट
हाँ.
करेक्ट.
जनाबाई दासी भक्ती.
दासी का? अच्छा अच्छा, दास्य. अच्छा, दास्य. ओके
दासी.
ओके ओके.
I think Andal will be there,
आंडाळ,
right,
हा,
Archana?
आंडाळ, yes.
Andal,
Yes,
yeah.
Andal is Kanta Bhakti.
कांता भक्ती. ओके ओके ओके. Then there is Vatsalya Asakti. So Kausalya, Devaki, Yashoda, all mothers, yes.
Kaikai also, I think Sri Ramji had more love towards Kaikai.
Yes, yes. Correct, yes. Anusaya Mata, for that matter, for Dattatreya. And then there is Atma Nivedana Asakti, total self-offering.
Shabari.
Shabari. But here also I feel that self-offering is also something which we will find in each of the other bhaktis.
Each of the other.
Uh,
Dasya may be unless and until you offer completely
total surrender or
Kanta Bhakti, everything it will come.
That's why they took Hanumanji's name again,
Hanumanji's
right?
name
Like,
again, yes,
yeah.
yes. Atmanivedana Asakti. And I think this is what has to be developed. Only when this is developed that we completely surrender or offer ourselves, that would be the greatest bhakti, or bhakti for that matter.
I think bhakti is one way in which kind of it leads all our senses in one direction. That's the reason right from Rupa, and then even the speech, like Smarana, what when we're chanting,
Hmm.
or even we're listening, Smarana Shakti, or when you're talking. So more and more, all our sense organs basically to lead towards the higher ideal.
Hmm. Correct. And that way looking, it sounds simple and easy. There are not very rules or something like not comparing with any other bhakti, but in Jnana bhakti, you should be knowing. You should have that the knowledge of the Supreme. You should know about Atman, Paramatman, and all that. But here, if we can drop that sense of I doing and think that everything that is being done is by the Lord, He is doing everything, everything is happening with His grace, power, everything. And then in that, whatever you do is always bhakti. There is no that sense of me doing and I expecting the result because I did it. He has done it through me. And I think तुषार दादा पण त्यांनी मेन्शन केलं होतं when all of us said की त्या मूर्तिकारांनी अरुण योगीराज यांनी किती सुंदर मूर्ती केली आहे. तुषार दादा म्हटले की हे त्यांनी केलीच नाहीये कारण
देवानीच केली
त्याच्याकडून देवानी
त्याच्या थ्रू.
करून घेतली. आणि ते खरं आहे. आपण पण कधी कधी आपण चिन्मय मिशन मध्ये पण काही आपण काम करताना असं जाणून येतं की हे काम आपण नव्हतं केलं, हे घडून झालेलं आहे आपल्याकडनं. तर ते आपण जर नेहमी तशी बुद्धी ठेवली तर कदाचित ती भक्ती ठरेल.
अभी ये रोज आ रहा है ना 108 डेज का
हाँ.
108 आर्चिव्स,
हम्म,
उसमें द फर्स्ट शॉर्ट वीडियो में गुरुदेव मेंशंस our five senses may be considered as four because tongue and skin is the same,
Same.
and Krishna is the intellect. Where the mind starts wandering, the Krishna pulls its horses and turns towards Arjuna. So probably bhakti helps or aids us in channelizing that towards jnana, what you were mentioning. तो मुझे लग रहा है somewhere unless and until there is bhakti any of these kinds, our mind does not get channelized, or our mind does not get it gets distracted. A lot of drains, बहुत सारे drains है जहाँ we can get distracted. This work of pulling our this thing, the intellect pulling, वो भी हम तभी सुनते हैं जब थोड़ा भक्ति हो. Otherwise Krishna कौन या any gods, nobody would even bother. Unless and until there is bhakti towards God, we will not even listen to Krishna. Then why would anybody listen to Krishna or Rama or anybody? Shri Krishna or Shri Rama से इसलिए सुनता है because some bhakti is needed to pull that or to listen to what Krishna is telling.
Correct.
Is my opinion.
Yes, true.
And those who don't see, वो देखो रोज का वीडियो बहुत अच्छा है.
करेक्ट. जो पहला वाला है जिसमें उन्होंने बताया कि माइंड इज द रेन्स, कृष्णा इज द इंटेलेक्ट,
Intellect, हाँ.
बॉडी इज
He
द चैरिट.
pulls the this thing with beautiful examples from each yajna. First 108 yajna का एक 4-5 minutes का glimpse है. It is there on Chinmay channel also. Even if you are not going through the archives completely, Chinmay channel अगर subscribe कर रहे हैं तो रोज आता है.
Correct. Next is Tanmayata Asakti. Tanmayata Asakti. This is absorption into the divine essence of the Supreme Being. This I have not understood well.
वो repeat कर क्या दिया है?
किसका? तन्मया,
तन्मयता.
तन्मयता आसक्ति.
तो उसके meaning क्या बोला?
Absorption into the divine essence of the Supreme Being. This bhakti is developed by constantly trying to feel one's essential oneness with Him without any distinctions, such as a teacher and creator, devotee and the Lord. I think this is similar to what we saw that
Meera.
हाँ.
Meera के भक्ति में something like that I am feeling.
And also, if you remember, Tusharda said Hanumanji when he was asked, "What is your relationship with the Lord?" So he said, "As a body, I am His slave. As a mind, I am part of it, and as the intellect or the Atman, I and He are the same." So I think this feeling of oneness and same is this Tanmaya Sakti, Tanmayata Sakti.
Yeah, the examples here they're saying is
Yagnavalkya,
Yajnavalkya and
Sanat Kumar,
Sanatana Kumar,
Sanat Kumar, and
Sanat Kumar and
Mahayogins.
Mahayogins.
Ah,
Yeah.
So basically Advaita philosophy, no?
Advaita. Yes, the highest
So
form.
Adi Shankaracharya also will come into the same.
Correct, correct. Yes. I think this will also be the ultimate culmination of all bhaktis. That you will find there is no difference between you and there is no difference or there is no dual thing. This is all one. Okay, there is one more remaining, which is a devotee Parama Viraha Asakti. Okay, okay, he's no more with me. So this, yes, the gopis felt when Krishna left Vrindavan. हे मला वाटतं इवन गणपतीचं विसर्जन जेव्हा होतं आणि ही लहान मुलं रडतात की आता गणपती बाप्पा चाललेत सोडून हे पण असं असेल परमवीर आसक्ती
ते इन्नेसेन्सचा एक व्हिडिओ आहे का ना पप्पा जाताना मुलं रडताना
रडतात.
वगैरे.
हम्म.
11 ways that Gurudev has spoken
हम्म.
is all the thing that drives you towards that devotion. If you see all the types of devotion that has been mentioned,
हम्म.
for example, the one before this, Tanmaya Asakti. So for people who are on the knowledge path, no one can be only on the knowledge path. Bhakti is always there. Okay, karma is also there. So the people who are in the knowledge path, for them the ultimate goal is to be one with the Lord. So that is what is driving them. So that driving force, so that is why it is called Tanmaya. For people who are bound with the rupas of the Lord, kabhi people just go to temple to see that what kind of
Alankar.
alankaram is done to the Lord for that Lord.
हम्म.
So they are driven with that devotion. For some people, it is like, I am your servant, Lord, you tell me anything. So I think these 11 types are the main drivers which pull you towards the devotion, and that is what has been discussed. As you all mentioned, there can be infinite numbers of ways of devotion, but anyone which start with this kind of uh, drivers, then it is sure shot to go ahead.
Yes. And in the 22nd for that event, there were many people who were happy that finally there is a temple, but also people were sad and crying because we kept a Lord for 500 years without a proper place. He was in the under a tent or a place which was not a proper place. So that is also maybe not maybe it is bhakti that they are emotional and they are feeling for the Lord and they feel the same as we would feel for somebody that and I don't know in one of our Gita chanting zonal round Gande Kaka told that Sri Ram would be very happy and we would be saying to Modi ji that I knew that under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana you were giving house to each one. I didn't know I would also get a house. So yes, I mean that also is bhakti, of course, because we we and I remember Raju, if you know, Gandhi Maharaj was one of this such saints. When he would say stories or in his pravachan or in his um, evening um, storytelling, he would say the story as if he was present there. So whatever occurred in that story, he would feel sorry for it. He would feel sad. He would be angry. He would be happy. So it would always appear as if Gandhi Maharaj was a part in that story and he's saying the story as if he's witnessed that. So much was his um, the bhakti for that Lord. We'll read this last paragraph. because I think we've understood each of these. We have just intellectually understood the types of or the different parts of bhakti. So it says, thus, even though love is one, it is pursued by different ways. It is not only 11 modes of love that are available. In fact, devotees in different love making can be in as many ways as there are lovers. No two lovers are the same, but according to their nature, they each come to express their devotion in their own unique way. Here, Narada mentions the famous 11 attitudes in which generally we have noticed seekers progressing to the highest experiences in the spiritual world. To be sure, there are as many ways to love and expressions of love as there are seekers and lovers. We rarely find devotees repeating mechanically the path pursued by other devotees of the past.
So basically, everyone makes their own path
Hmm,
or creates their own paths to reach the higher.
correct. I remember a story by Swamini Vimalananji. So this was when she had a parenting session, and parents were asking her, how do we get our children develop devotion for the Lord? When we tell them to sit in front of the Lord, they they don't, they resist, they're very aggressive. So she said there was once a boy, and on his way back from school, he used to find a small dog wagging its tail when this boy used to pass through. And this boy, for some reason, thought maybe it's hungry. And this boy always had something left in his tiffin while coming back home, maybe half a chapati or something. So that one day he saw the dog wagging its tail, and he assumed that the dog is very hungry. So he took out his dabba, gave that half chapati to that dog, and then the dog ate and he was happy and he came home. And this repeated every day. He used to see this dog, and now he used to purposely keep something left in his dabba. Purposely, he used to eat only half chapati maybe, or half dosa or whatever, so that the half can be kept for the dog. And slowly he started thinking, this dog is very nice, and I have some feeling for this dog that every day I'm able to give it something. So why not I carry it home? Of course, I will not take it inside my house for sure, because my parents also will not allow. And I have seen in the past they don't like pets. So I will keep him outside our house, but I will take him home, because in that way I can always look at him, meet him whenever I want, all that. So he decided one day and he carried the dog with him. And then he kept him outside the house. And then he used to always come and visit and see and everything. And now the mind changed. Why outside? That it be inside the house. And in a few days, the dog was in his bed, sleeping with him, always with him, all that. So all this changed. So then Vimlananji ends up saying, if this can happen with a DOG dog, can it not happen with God God? So let them initially just maybe apply one, keep one agarbatti for the Lord. Tell them nothing more than that. You just keep one flower every day at the altar, and then you can go and do your daily thing. Just keep one flower. Automatically they'll see that I've kept the flower, but I think the last day's flower is still not removed. So let me clean that and then keep this good flower. Slowly that will develop, and then slowly that may change their mind, and they may get into and fall in and find the devotion for that Lord. So I think it's very important to start, to begin. We've seen all this, but unless we start and we see progress, we will only
This
be happy.
this I can actually correlate what you said,
Hmm.
because Utkarsh ka bhi, since November he has a study leave.
Hmm.
So only the weak children have been called to school since November.
Hmm.
So रोज अभी I used to, whenever I used to drop him for pass, I used to get milk.
Hmm.
So मैंने अभी वो ड्यूटी उसको लगा कि मुझे देर होता है
Hmm.
तो सुबह दूध प्लीज ला के रख दे करके. तो अभी वो दूध लाते रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस चल रहा था। देन आई सेड लाने जाता ही है तो नीचे जो मंदिर सिर्फ एग्जाम टाइम पे जाता है तो रोज एक चक्कर मार के आ, भगवान को देख के आ, उधर जा। तो फिर शुरू किया, रोज जाएगा। इफ नॉट सुबह रात को 10 बजे तो एटलीस्ट जाके भगवान को नमस्कार करके आएगा। अभी वो प्राण प्रतिष्ठा दिन के सुबह आई थिंक आई वाज इन पूजा, वो बोला मैं अभी जाके आ जाता हूँ, और गया वो नीचे क्योंकि शाम को कुछ पूजा होने वाला था उधर, तो उसको भीड़ में जाना पसंद नहीं, गया। तो उधर एक छोटा बच्चा रोज, जो हमारा केयर टेकर है ना सोसाइटी का, रोज वो मंदिर साफ करने का काम उस बच्चे का है। तो ही मेड फ्रेंड्स विथ हिम। अभी रोज उस बच्चे को मदद करने के चक्कर में आधा घंटा मंदिर धो के वो हनुमान जी के पीछे जय श्री राम लिख के फिर आता है। और अभी टू दी एक्सटेंट कि रोज घर से फूल जाएगा, दादी को पूछेगा आज कौन सा कलर, गुरुवार है तो येलो कलर, ये तो रेड कलर, संकष्टी है तो रेड कलर, ऐसा करते करते अभी वहां तक पहुंचा है रोज। मैं बोली बाप रे, आधा पौना घंटा उत्कर्ष यू डोंट कम होम। तो ठीक है ना मम्मा, दिन भर में कहीं नहीं जाता तो उधर जाके श्री के साथ करके आता हूँ मैं। तो अभी वो एक रिचुअल बन गया हमारे घर में।
तो बहुत जल्द वो मंदिर की कमेटी में भी आ जाएगा देख। नहीं वो होता है, बट यू नो अपन वी जस्ट हैव टू इन क्या बोलते, tell them that first step and then automatically leave it to the Lord. It will, the Lord will pull them. ऐसा होता है।
अभी शीतला देवी कैसे ही हो गया, एवरी संडे उसको क्लास जाना होता है एफसी रोड, तो जाते वक्त पापा को उल्टा पड़ता करके हम लोग ही दूध दे के आ जाते थे मंदिर में अभिषेक के लिए। अभी क्लास नहीं भी रहेगा तो बोलता नहीं नहीं चलो मंदिर में दूध एटलीस्ट दे के आते हैं। तो मंदिर हर संडे अभी एक बार चक्कर मार के आ रहे हैं हम लोग उत्कर्ष की वजह से।
क्या सही है। Good. I only been talking. Now I'll keep quiet. So we completed this part, section 2.
We can do the Manat se
Manat se
shlok,
shlok?
right? I think, yeah.
Okay.
Because it's more related to the bhakti. When I'm reading that verse,
Ah.
it's similar to what we are
that is
actually
another wonder.
practicing
Every
now.
time we have a shloka, we see
Yeah.
that it's always related to what we discussed.
Somehow it's connected.
Connected, yes. True. Okay. Raju, you have the PPT?
No, no, Ravi.
Okay, okay, no problem.
It's okay. Okay, I'll read it out, okay?
Okay. Which one is it, Akka?
127.
127. Okay.
And 128 is Ramakan.
Okay, and okay.
So I'll read it. Jagi dhanyato Rama mukhe nivala katha aikata sarva tallina dhala देहे भावना राम बोधे उडाली मनोवासना राम रूपी बुडाली जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. So basically who takes the Lord's name, he's the most luckiest or the most fortunate one. Like even when you're listening to the story of the Lord or the praise, like, or when you're devoting your time, or you're when you're working for, like how Archana said her son, like he does the seva, he washes the the temple floor and all. So all that, so whoever gets that opportunity is the most fortunate. That's what I think Ramdas ji is saying here. I'm just going to read out what I see here. So similar. So blessed is the one abiding in peace, chanting Rama's name, wholly immersed in listening to his glory and fame, forgets the body by the communion with Rama, and drowns the earthly desires in the divine divine balm. So the luck. So we are so fortunate to know about the Lord to begin with, and then we get that, like we have so many divine people around, like like how we say Santa Sangha Dei Sada, like so when we are surrounded by the people who always chant the Lord's name, so we are also kind of immersed directly or indirectly, and we are very fortunate in a way. when we are told to take it, and then we also try and experience that by taking the Lord's name all the time. I don't know if you can add some more to it.
Today, the stories that we saw about Pran Pratishtha Divas, all of them, I think, rotate around this thing only. I was watching Srimad Ramayana abhi recent isme, when Sri Rama comes to Mithila and वो धनुष यात्रा चलता रहता है तभी. So he's Vishwamitra ji has only told him to go around Mithila and come back. So when that yatra is going on, Lakshman wants to have a glimpse of the Dhanushya, but there are some kids who come to Sri Rama and say कि आपका धनुष मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं उठा सकती हूँ क्या? Small ones, बहुत भारी होता है क्या? So he says no no, it is so nice, even you can lift it. And उस बच्चे को हाथ में देते हैं धनुष, but with one finger in the end he is holding the dhanush. So the child feels it very light. So how many of our circumstances we feel कि हमने कुछ किया है, but actually it is the Lord who is balancing. For last week, so, or the week before, Tushar Dada mentioned those footprints story. We used to have that story in Krishna Kunj whenever we went. So I was remembering that story. So devotion to the Lord, जब तक नहीं होता, the mind actually, as I said in that first archive that Gurudev mentioned, कि till we don't have bhakti, even the intellect will not listen to or get tuned to listen to the Lord. So I feel bhakti is very important to channelize us, to pull us from somewhere and lead us to somewhere else.
Correct. True. Nice, Akka. Thank you. Yes, Anna.
128 number.
I have the
Mana.
slide now.
Hmm?
Yeah, Anna, continue. I'll just share this.
Okay, you have it.
Mana vasana vasudevi vasode. Mana kamana kama sangi nasode. Mana kalpana vaugi te na kije. Mana sajjana sanjati vasati kije. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samad.
Sajjani.
Basically, here what he says is there is no limit to desires or to fulfilling vasanas in this world. Hence, let all your vasanas be directed in invoking or realizing God. Then only it will get exhausted fully. Then learn to differentiate between necessities for a simple living and uh, luxurious living. Be satisfied in simple living. Then aim for a simple living with bare minimum necessities rather than aiming for a luxurious life. So because there will be no end to that luxury. For this, try to remain in satsang with saints and honest people.
Nice, Anna.
This summary.
Nice, yes. I think some books have different versions. This sloka, what I have also is second line also has got mana vasana. I think yours has got kamana. Second line,
Second line is kamana.
kamana. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, next two, 129 and 130. Anybody volunteering for it?
I'll take.
Okay, 129. Okay, 130. Okay, then I'll take 130. So Archana 129 and 130 I'll
Okay.
take. Okay.
Okay.
So then shall we close? Anything more to discuss?
I think in the previous verse which Akka mentioned, no, कि saints के संगत में,
हाँ.
we're remembering him and everything. I feel even a squirrel was recognized in his presence. So for the effort, that small effort that squirrel took, he got the blessing of those 3 lines on his back with a pat on the back. Even an evil demon like Ravana is remembered with Ram. Kansa is remembered with Krishna. So if they could get that much, so if we try with bhakti, we can also move little ahead at least.
Correct.
From wherever we are, one step ahead at least.
Correct. True. Okay. Archana, you will take the concluding prayers.
Prayer or pledge?
Like,
Pledge also, both. Take both.
Okay. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values within and without us. We live honestly, the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to be on the path of virtue, courage, and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is the devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat. Hari Om. रवि सर ने तेरे को दिया था ड्यूटी प्लेज का.
फिर मैंने तेरे को दिया आज.